Yep.
I see you. Yes! I'm gonna strike! Sunflora strikes this!
You took him down. That's awesome.
How did I beat him with a Sunflora?
That's amazing.
Right?
Yep.
I think we might need to extend this up a little bit. I'm just extending it so we can see farther.
Does it look good?
Yep.
Should point up how tall that mountain is.
I think I might be able to get this up a little bit. Oh, ow.
Honk your head.
Oh yeah.
Picture that bridge.
Shouldn't you like tell anyone who's filming this, who's the cameraman, anyone who's watching this video?
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, hey, they're filming.
There's probably gonna be so many comments on this video, right?
Yeah, I think so. You're a good camera operator. Let's scoot over here, let these people walk by.
Turn the camera at me
Yeah.
so they can see me for a second. In this video, can you comment who's like the...
People can comment.
But if you would comment, know who the cameraman is.
That's true.
Should you put a description in there?
I could, yeah.
Who's the cameraman or something?
Yeah, definitely, I could do that. How'd you remember that there was a gym here? Oh, that's that one that has, I'll spin it for you.
I just remembered from a long time ago. So how week's this? I just remembered there was a gym here.
Yeah. You got such good memory.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
I was spelling Pokemon Go here.
Let's get over.
So what people are in the gym right now?
Which gym?
The gym we're by right now.
Let's see. Let me check on that.
How weak are there?
We got
Can I see?
Charizard.
Are they weak?
Nah, they're pretty close to,
When
I'd say, an average of 90% health. There's a Chansey, Machamp, what's this one's name? Metagross. And that's it. Yeah, 4 of them, but they're all pretty strong. All over 2,000.
No, turn this thing back on. No sleeping.
And I need to turn that. Sometimes it just does that to save on the battery life.
But the YouTubers are watching this video, then go.
It won't go black on the actual video.
Oh.
That's just on our screen.
because they would think, oh, this video's over already.
That'd be silly, huh? Super silly.
But nobody would watch the end. We want like likes.
I know, we need all the watch time minutes and we need likes.
You don't even have a gold play button. We need the gold play
We
button.
need the gold play button, that's right.
Do we even have a silver one?
I got no play buttons.
How?
I
Why?
think right now I have like 217 subscribers.
Shouldn't that get us one play button?
No, I get one.
Did
At
you
least
get
a
one?
cardboard version. Hey YouTube, can I get a cardboard play button, please?
How many subscribers do you need to get the first? What's the first play button?
I think the first one's at 100,000 subscribers. So we're quite a bit away.
Okay. I'm filming you right now.
Sounds good. Very nice. Can I get a picture of you?
Sitting on this little log. Wait, Wait, I can't vlog. I can't vlog right now.
You can't vlog right now?
Sorry, guys. I might have to turn this thing off.
Yeah, hold it up with that, yeah. Awesome.
What is that? There's a hole in the ground. I was vlogging in the hole.
Nice.
Oh, interesting. Dada,
Yeah? That was water.
can I vlog the water? Oh, wait, look at this stick down here, fruit. It looks cooler on the cam, look. I can't see it, but they can see it.
Super cool. You could throw some right here.
So this vlog is gonna be like 2 hours.
That'd be crazy.
No, probably a little longer.
You think we should continue the vlog once we get to the car?
No, I think we're going to.
So let me check your battery life on it.
I think we're just gonna go for the vlog.
Thanks for watching. We hope we get that cardboard play button.
No, don't post.
Don't post that one? Okay. Thanks for watching our vlog, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Bye.
Perfect.